Hey yo, what is up with you guys? What is up, intelligent people? So today, I'm gonna be showing you another screener. Oh, what a surprise! Okay, so today we are gonna be talking about how to use Finviz.com to find stocks pre-market. Okay, how to find stocks to trade pre-market. So we're gonna be talking about that in today's video. If you wanna like that's everything like what's gonna be happening throughout the video. Basically, then we're gonna be taking them a look and taking them into the tradingview.com. This is the charting tool. Then through every single thing that we go through, if you're new, if you don't know what that is, and I'm gonna be explaining what are we feeling and all other good stuff. Overall, this video will not be that complicated and all. So the first thing that we are gonna be feeling will be for me the technicals. Okay, what am I gonna be looking for a stock right here? Is for a stock to have a average true range of over zero point 0.5. And what does that mean? Okay, so average true range, it says that a measure of stock volatility. The average true range is an exponential moving average, or 14 days exponential moving average of the true range. The range of a day's trading is high, low. True range extends it to yesterday's closing price if it was outside of today's range. True range max, then high and high, like as you see, high close perf, and like minimum to low close perf. Okay, so the average true range, as you see, the average true range ATR is a market volatility indicator used in the technical analysis. It is typically derived from the 40-day simple moving average of a series of true ranges indicators. Okay, the ATR was originally developed for use for commodities markets, but has been applied to all types of securities. Okay, so we want for the average true range to be over zero point 0.5. That's why what I'm looking for the true range to be just a little bit or times zero point 0.5. That's about that for the technicals. Then what are we going to be filling with? What are we going to be filling is the descriptive right here. So stick around with me, guys. So the first thing that we would like to fill out will be the average volume. Okay, so what does the average volume really mean? The average volume is the average number of shares traded in the secretary per day. So what is a daily what is the daily number of shares back and forth? You feel me? That's what what basically means. And what are we going to be filling right here is for it to be over 300k. Over 3, 4, 200k, it is always like to your preference. I sometimes go over 400 because I want my stocks to be liquid. Okay, but let's go with over 300k. As you can see right now, we have 2,211 stocks right here on the radar. Also, today is the Labor Day. Okay, is 6th of September 2021. I hope that like the date does not mean anything with the video, but as you see, the market is closed. But I'm just saying this because you may be watching this video 2 years from now, and I'm still gonna be happy. And don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, so let's just continue with the video. So as you can see, right here, what are we gonna be doing for? What are we gonna be doing is the industry. What we want to take right here is like basically which industry we want to look at. We are going to be looking for stocks only. Okay, that's it for me. If you want to trade stocks, you're going to be looking for stocks only, of course. And what are we going to be looking at is the current volume. What does that mean? What do we need to fill that? As you see, it says that numbers of shares traded today. So number of shares traded on Friday. As you can see today, the market is closed. If you feel me, but this is the kind of a screener that you can use whenever you want. You feel me? So we want right here for it to be over 500k, over 100k. Okay, not like you could go over 50, but I always go with over 100k. Just my preference. Okay, so as you see right now, we have 1,984. So I could not go with customs right now, but what I'm looking for is for stocks to be under, okay, under 50 bucks. I really wanted to look stocks that are under like from 1 to right around like 100, but I cannot make the customs, so I cannot use the customs because I'm not like logged in, and I don't have the pro version of Finviz. But I really want to look at stocks who are from $0 to $100, but let's just go with under 50. So I really want to capitalize when I say under 50. So as you can see right here, we have 1,000 or 1069 stocks that we can choose off. That's just the after the close of the market open. So right here, like you could be looking for potential buys. What I actually want to do too is to go on the 200-day simple moving average, and for it to be the price to be above this SMA like 200. What does the SMA 200 mean? Basically, 200-day simple moving average of a closing price is the mean of a previous 200 days closing price. So kind of it gives the average for the last like 200 days as you read that. So we want the price to be above the 200-day simple moving average. As you see, after that we have like half the number of stocks right here. We have like 564 right now, but yeah, we have like well above 1,000. So the next thing that I really want to do is the 50-day simple moving average. I always kind of do manage to either have the SMA 50 to be above the SMA 200, or the SMA 50 to be below the price, okay, or the price to be above the SMA for like SMA 50. That's it. And we also like what am I going to be looking right here is for the price to be above the SMA 20. So a very very bullish sentiment in the last kind of 20 days, 50 days, and 200 days. So as you see, we are left with 374 stocks. Okay, so with these three simple moving averages, like this could basically indicate us that the price really wants to break through the structure and really wants to continue to push to the upside. As you can see, for example, this stock right here, ACI, the grocery stores. Uh, this is in the grocery stores like industries in Albertsons companies. Yeah, something like that. As you see, here we had a kind of a break to the structure. This could be a potential buy right there. As you see, we had a break to the structure right here. Like you could be capitalizing on that, but this already happened. Um, Break to the structure right here. You could be holding it for around like $15. It is always up to you. Like right now, we're kind of taking a look through the stocks and kind of trying to find something out. For example, let's go with AMH. Well, what the hell? AMH. Okay. Let's see how would it go. So it's American Homes for Rent. So let's just see them. American Homes for Rent. A rating company, a great business, I guess. It sits at right around $42 at the moment. So this is how the daily chart looks like. This is how it is set up. So we have channels. Okay, this is how it looks like at the moment. So what am I going to be looking for in this stock, or what am I going to be looking for it to do? Is to kind of break through the structure right here. Like even though he's on the way to do that, see the market is on holiday today, and there is not much we can do about it except for wait and kind of relax, bro. Wait for Tuesday, and yeah, kind of be happy with all of our powers. So yeah, that's about how the market moved right now. Like you could be you could have been waiting for break of a structure right there. Actually, this is kind of a huge run up. So I will not be personally investing anything right here, but this is just a potential play. You feel me? You could be looking at all the other different stocks. For example, the AR right here, and it is Ontario Resources Corporation. So let's just take a look at it. AR. Here how it looks like. It has a lot of things, but the real thing is that we really did manage to break through the structure right here on Friday. So I'm pretty excited about that. Like you could be looking for a capitalization around these areas, because this area is like quite volatile, and I hope that we're about to touch that. Also, this area is quite volatile too. Around $24, you could be looking for that. And yeah, so these are the areas. This we had a little bit of volume right here and there. You feel me? So you could be looking for kind of a cash out right there if you did manage to like get into this trade. But it is always up to you, and just keep in mind that right now we're in kind of the retest of these lows. So you could do something like this. You feel me? It's always up to you, and this is your how you can use your style, how you trade. This is not just a trading video. This is a filter video. Okay. So I hope it makes sense right now. Like go ahead, make sure to screenshot this if you want so. And yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.